Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and we are here now to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investment decisions. Improve your trading strategies by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of August in the year 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.22. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 2.37%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.19% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.11% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 8.11% to 23.71%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 35.37% over the next year, with a possible return between 34.54% and 54.46%. This implies a price range of between 603.75 and 693.13 after a year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ highlights that the price of the QQQ ETF decreased by 2.37% on Friday. The QQQ ETF price fell by 2.37% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, dropping from $459.66 to $448.75. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2.04%, with a low of $444.50 and a high of $453.57. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total drop of 5.57% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, slightly elevating the risk over the next few days. In total, 66 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $29.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands 10.88%, or $54.77, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments, the Nasdaq 100 ETF, QQQ, gained 1% on July 26th, rebounding from a brief setback attributed to AI fatigue following Alphabet's earnings report, which revealed rising capital expenses. This indicates a potential recovery trajectory for big tech, though caution remains warranted given the underlying pressures. For investors, QQQ represents a low-cost option for exposure to tech-focused companies, with historical performance illustrating significant growth of an initial investment over the last decade. However, the current climate suggests a market rotation away from tech stocks towards sectors like real estate, alongside rising consumer credit debt and delinquency rates, which could weigh on tech earnings. Furthermore, while actively managed ETFs are capturing a growing share of inflows, signaling a shift in investor preference, QQQ's valuation premium remains notably high compared to value stocks, raising concerns regarding its future performance. Should the expected correction in AI stocks continue, it could dampen the ETF's short-term momentum. Additionally, with upcoming earnings reports from major tech players, Insights into the robustness of the AI investment thesis will be crucial. In the long term, if the historical trend of value stocks outpacing growth stocks resurfaces, QQQ may face significant headwinds. Overall, while short-term recoveries seem possible, long-term investors should remain cautious. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of 460 and 480. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on the 10th of July, 2024, and since then, the price has declined by nearly 11%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 9 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages highlights a buy signal from 175 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $445.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences average daily movements, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $9.07 between its high and low, which is a 2.04% movement. For the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.36%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly examine some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might imply a diminished expectation for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $458.27. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $445.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good investment? Currently, the QQQ ETF exhibits several negative signals. Despite a generally positive trend, we anticipate that QQQ will experience weak performance over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 5th of August, we expect QQQ to open higher by approximately 18 cents, starting at a price of $448.94. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.